so pretty. It's origami, and it you can use it on the paper. Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make the fabric origami basket. This is super easy everyone. So I'm using the heat and bond interface and sandy in one side and then the paper in the other side. This is very simple and only two straight stitch on the top and the fabric is done. So the size of this is I cut this 10 inches wide and 14 inches long. So the sandy side facing down to the back side of the fabric and the paper side that where you iron is facing up so you can iron. Make sure you do that everyone. So pick two different fabric, one for the main fabric and the lining. Set the iron in medium, not high because you're going to burn the heat and bond interfacing. So go slow like that. It's very easy to iron since it's the paper. It's very smooth, but take your time and do iron on the outer side first and then go from the inside and finish all the way. Just so you know everyone, when you're watching my video, it doesn't mean that I'm doing the video at the same day. Sometimes if I have time, I have a lot of video make by a day or two, and then after that I edit the video all together in one. So I may have about like 5 to 6 video, and then when I do something busy like this week, I won't be able to do anything because I get ready for the Lunar New Year, which is the 17th of February, the years of the fire horse. So I may have to prepare for cooking and things like that. Also, I have to go and visit my dad and see what he needs and then cook with my sister and my sister-in-law. So that's very busy everyone. So now I picked the second fabric, with it's the red one for the lining. So whatever you want to do, you have to use two different fabric to show more. So remember we have the paper side, the one that we iron on. Now you're going to peel this off so you can face that side down to the red side. Make sure when you iron it this side, you're going to face into the wrong side of the fabric. So just so you know, if you use the Prince fabric, then you place on the back side, the wrong side of the fabric. So the width means that both main fabric and the lining right side facing out. Now you're going to iron this to make sure the glue on the back side of the main fabric stick right into the wrong side of the lining. So make sure you iron really well on the outer side and then going slowly to the inside, the middle, and then everywhere. Make sure it glue all the way down. I like the heat and bond when I make a origami basket or handbag because it stay a lot stronger than the interfacing. So just like that, simple iron, and then you're going to cut this out. I mentioned many in the video that this straight cut scissor you need to get if you see them at Walmart store because it's super easy to cut on the straight line. Very sharp too, and it's $18. If you get it online, very expensive. This is super easy. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna fold in this way. You iron this. Whatever side you want to face out, like the snowflake I have, I facing out. You can turn the heat the iron up a little bit if you want. Okay, now you go on to fold it again. This way. So after you fold it in half, you go on to bring this fold right into the center. And make sure everything, I'm putting my hand here, so make sure everything go right into the center like that. And this one right here, straight out too. Iron it. I'm gonna fold it back. Make sure both sides go right in together like this. You do the other side the same, but I just want to have another iron on this side. I'm gonna just clip it down for now, and then you're going to do the same thing on this side like that. And that, and then this go right into here. So like that. And this. Okay, and put it back. You're gonna iron this. It look like this. That means you do it right, okay? And now we're gonna fold this side to here. Make sure on the top, even like that. Fold it down. Iron this. A lot of iron, but after you iron, don't try not to touch it right away, because it's going to burn you, okay? Don't do that. And then I'm gonna do then this side too. Flip into this side, do the same. Now I'm gonna go and fold this to here. And have another iron on this side. Hold on to this to open and hold it like this, and then open this all the way. Put your hand in there, spray this out. And now you have one side like this, and then the other side. So I'm gonna go and fold it one, and then fold it down again one more time, like so. I'm gonna go and clip this down, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Go on this side, do the same thing, fold it one to this line, fold it again. Now you have two sides. Perfect. Iron this. Then on the fold, and on the fold too. On this side, same thing. And then you go into sew it here, and then sew it up. Same thing to here. Go very close to here. So to sew something thick like this, you're gonna get the piece of fabric and you're going to fold the fabric a few times, the same thickness of this, and then place in front of the presser foot so you can sew it easier. So I finished anyone and look a lot stronger than the one that you use with the interface. And see how strong it is. Look at that, so pretty. It's origami, and it you can use it on the paper too. Do exactly the same way I fold. You can make it with the paper. It is so cute. And let me tell you the size of this basket. It 5.25 inches, swear. So pretty. And the height, forgot to tell you, the height of this is 2.5 inches. This is the paper that I make. Exactly the same like that. If you want to have your kid make it with you, do it with them using the paper. So pretty. And if you want to, with the fabric, if you want to sew this side so you can have this to hold on to it, it's all up to you. So you can use this for anything you want on the sewing room. You can use anything. So easy. That's it, everyone. I just want to say thank you for all of my subscribers, for your support, your kindness, your comment on my video, and always like the video. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you for all of the people that donate to my channel too. Love you. Stay safe. Take care.